Making money chatting to people? Yep. You can make up to $400 a week chatting. How are you going to do that, Zeb? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in today's video, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about how to make $400 a week chatting online to strangers. Yeah, wow, right? So, but before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zeb Summers. I talk about online entrepreneurship, affiliate internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can earn some freedom in your life. All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you feel this is of some value, and hit that little notification bell if you'd like to get reminded about more daily videos like this every single day. All right. If you have any comments, post them below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like to know, like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, post them below and I will reply. And if you do happen to subscribe today, post below and let me know that you subscribed and I will reply back. All right, guys. So let's get on with today's video. Today's video is all about making money chatting online with people you don't even know. All right, this is about online jobs that you just chat and get paid hourly for. All right, this is trading time for money. If you're interested in passive income, I'll talk more about that at the very end, but this is all about making money while chatting. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take you through a few websites here, and these websites are gonna help you find jobs that you sit at home on your computer chatting to people and getting paid by the hour. All right, guys, so let's get started with the first site. The first site is called the Chat Shop. So the Chat Shop, it's jobs. Most of these jobs are US based, but not all of them. There are some for Australia, UK, etc. So you just got to go in here and see where they're actually hiring these people. All right. But these are a lot of support. So you're either doing some kind of like customer support or technical support. All right. So every one of these websites are the same type of stuff. It's either customer support of some sort, like you're going to a website and when you go to live chat, that's what you're doing. You're offering live chat assistance. I know everybody has done live chat with something, right? But this is what you're doing from your side. You're doing a live chat with somebody from a company somewhere asking you questions about a particular product, service, or company. All right. So the first is thechatshop.com. I am not affiliated with any of these. I just found these websites and I wanted to share them with you guys. All right. So live chat, there's the services are live chat outsourcing. So like I said, consulting, training, and agents and chat bots. All right. So what they do is they outsource chat, live chat. So I could be AT&T and T and I have live chat and I want to hire some outsourcing and I hire these guys to do it. And these guys hire you as an employee to do their jobs. Now, the cool thing about this is you make $10 an hour. Your skills, you just got to be able to speak English, very organized, attention to detail, uh, be a positive, upbeat person, be willing to learn. You have to work at least 20 to 40 hours a week. So it's $10 an hour. That would be $400 a week at 40 hours. So that's not bad, right, guys? So you do got to know how to type. So if you don't know how to type, you might want to take some typing lessons to learn how to type to do these kind of jobs. You won't have to talk to a person. You just type all day long. That's kind of a cool spot. All right, the next job is with Apple.com. Just go over to Apple.com and search for careers and type in at home advisor. Now, these two are from Australia. Now, you got to come in here and look for these constantly because they're constantly hiring positions all over the place for these roles. And what this one requires you to have is you need to have a Apple computer, and you're going to work as an Apple Care agent live chat. All right. But you may get on the phone for this one. It depends, but most likely you're just going to be chatting most of the time. All right. So this one you make about $18 an hour. Let's go over here and see what they actually do. Qualifications, uh, troubleshooting expertise. So you got to have some technical abilities for this one. This one is working from home, availability to attend approximately 4 to 5 weeks of required online training. Flexible schedule, include weekends, 9 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. All right, so completion of pre-employment assessment and background check. You only have to know how to type 35 words per minute. All right, so private, quiet workspace and have a high-speed internet. So guys, that's pretty doable, right? So this might be something you want to look at also. This is at home jobs through Apple.com. There's a lot of benefits working for Apple, and I'm pretty sure you can make between $18 and $20 an hour starting off. So you think you work 20 hours at $20 an hour, that'd be $400 a week. All right. The next one is Support.com. Now, Support.com is a site you can search for positions that are online live chat support. So there's a lot of openings for positions like this. So I would run over to support.com and look for the different types of remote services. You can be a technician, customer service. So there's a couple different types of jobs, and they range anywhere from $10 to $20 an hour. So guys, that's support.com. Same deal. Just go through each one of these sites, apply, get a job, work from home, and you are just chatting with people. The next one is Weebly.com. All right, so Weebly, we've all heard of Weebly, and it is a uh, website building platform, right? And they do have work from home jobs. Here, they are owned by Square. If you're not familiar with Square, right here it is. So it's squareup.com/careers. Or you could just go to Weebly.com and go down to the bottom and select jobs. So Weebly does the same thing. They're looking for, I think, I think it was under communications. I looked at this earlier. So this is a communications role. You can see sitting on the couch, working from a computer. So these jobs might not be just chatting. They might be chatting, they might be talking, but you could come here, look for these jobs, and apply. All right. So you gotta wait. There might not be the job for you. These jobs also pay between $18 and $20 an hour. All right. So that is Weebly.com or squareup.com/careers. So guys, I'm giving you some gold here. If you want to trade your time for money, work hourly, get paid, hit that thumbs up if you feel like this is some good stuff. I think I found some nuggets for people looking to work from home, right? This is for people that want to work from home. I've done 2 videos back to back for people wanting to work from home. And I know there's a lot of people out there that want to do this, or they're trying to get some money to get into the online digital marketing, but they want to start somewhere and make some money to spend on that. All right. So the next one's called Site Staff, and Site Staff has chat host. And so if you go to sitestaff.com/chat host, this is the positions that these people are or what this company is hiring for. So what is a chat host? A chat host, right here, very selected. Minimum candidates must possess these skills. You must be able to type in this one, right? 65 to 75 words per minute. Ability to multitask. You got to be able to carry out conversations on this one. All right. Chat hosts carry 3 to 4 conversations concurrently. Now, that doesn't mean you're talking, right? You're chatting, but you might be chatting to somebody, then you put them on hold and you're running over here to do some research. You might be chatting to somebody else. So you might have 4 consecutive chats going on at the same time. So you got to be somewhat organized, right? So you got very, very good at problem solving and resolving the customer's questions as quick as possible. All right. So if you're bilingual, it puts you at an advantage. And if you have prior experience doing live chat jobs, then you have an upper hand here. So that was sitestaff.com/chat host. Now, guys, I hope I got some value out of this for you. And you're taking this stuff, you're putting it to action, and you're making some money. All right. So that's what it's all about. I'm here to help people make money, and I'm here to help people with online entrepreneurship. If you're more interested in the passive income, maybe I'll do a video tomorrow talking more about passive income. And if you're really interested in that stuff, just go to the link below and you'll see a link down below says my #1 recommended money making system. Then that's what you want to click on. All right. So guys, I hope you got some value. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's videos, hit me up below. All right. And as always, if you did subscribe, please post below. Tell me you subscribed and I'll give you a shout out. All right. All right, guys. I just want to say peace out, and I will see you tomorrow on another video.